So next up, guys, got a really nice dozer here. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but it's a 2013 Caterpillar D6T LGP. And as we go around, I'll point out some things, but undercarriage is pretty well new, guys. I mean, it's 90% plus. Excellent undercarriage. Showing right around 6,700 hours on this unit, guys, and paint's in great shape. It's got a nice winch here on the back. Good clean cab, heat, AC. Got a 6-way blade up front. Like I said, undercarriage is extremely good. This is a big 6-way blade. But I'm here with Pat. I'll have him fired up. He's going to give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. We'll run that blade around for you. As he turns it around, you see all sides of the sun. The paint's really good, really sharp looking, nice unit. Excellent undercarriage. Got that nice winch, some auxiliaries on the back. Really smooth shift and nice running unit, guys. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2013 Caterpillar D6T. Kind of rev it up there for you. 2013 Caterpillar D6T LGP. Really nice unit. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.